हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ मंजीत एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज हम जिस मूवी के बारे में बात करेंगे वो मेरी ऑल टाइम फेवरेट मूवी है एंड उसका नाम है सिल्वर लाइनिंग प्लेबुक बाय डेविड ओ रसेल स्टारिंग जेनिफर लॉरेंस एंड ब्रैडली कूपर। Why I'm recommending this movie? Because winters चल रही हैं and I hate winters because it is a combination of lack of ambition to get out of your bed, lack of willingness to do anything new, and a lot of seasonal sadness. So to not contribute anything to the sadness, I try to watch the stuff which is tried and tested. That is the stuff which I really liked and I love to rewatch. And Silver Lining Playbook is something that falls under that category. The genre of the movie might be rom-com drama, बट आई विल से दैट इट इज़ अ लॉट कॉम्प्लेक्स येट वेरी मच सिंपल। एक रिदम में चलती है पूरी मूवी एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी सूदिंग नेचुरल कनेक्टिंग रिदम एंड one of the reasons why it is one of my favorite movies of all time. Straight back to the plot of the movie. Movie का plot start होता है by the character of Pat, who is portrayed by Bradley Cooper, who is in a mental institution and he's there after confronting his wife having an affair on him, and his mother has now come to his rescue, taking him out of the institution. But the catch is that he is not yet fully recovered, and his dad, who is portrayed by Robert De Niro, is happy to welcome his son home, but he also wants his son to just fully recover and then come back as original. Pat now has self-conquered this philosophy of chasing positiveness, and he believes that if one does hard work and just continues doing it, then he might have a shot at silver lining one day or the other. And his silver lining in his life is now to get back to his wife by proving her that he is normal and he won't be having any more mental breakdown. And his wife hasn't seen him in a year and has also filed a restraining order against him. Now Pat is at his home with his parents, and now he's invited to dinner by one of his friends. In that dinner he meets Tiffany. Now Tiffany is someone who's in a similar yet very different state than Pat. Tiffany's husband recently passed away, and Pat finds out that Tiffany has a link to reach to Nikki, who's the wife of Bradley Cooper's character Pat, and he formulates an idea that if he writes down and if he pens down every feeling of his into a letter, then he might get any response from Nikki. And he asks Tiffany to help her to just deliver that letter to Nikki. Now Tiffany put forwards this condition that she is willing to help Pat, but given that he is ready to be his dance partner in order to make Tiffany a winner of a dance competition that Tiffany really wants to win. Now Pat accepts the condition of Tiffany to be his dance partner, and given that the letter reaches Nikki, he is willing to do anything. Two incomplete people trying to complete their messy oriented lives. That is the plot of Silver Lining Playbook. तीन चीज़ें जो मुझे मूवी में बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आई थी. First is of course Jennifer Lawrence's character. She has portrayed this character very beautifully, and it is one of the prime reason why I rewatched this movie again and again. Jennifer Lawrence also received an Academy Award for her performance in Silver Lining Playbook, and she really adds a unique rhythm to her character. जिन scenes में उनका character होता भी नहीं है उसमें लगता है that this is a building up scene, and once it builds up, her character will come again and take the center stage. The second thing that I really liked about the movie was the chemistry between Robert De Niro, Bradley Cooper, and Jackie Weaver. Now this whole functions as a constant dynamic family unit. One of my favorite scenes in the movie is where Bradley Cooper rants about Ernest Hemingway in front of his parent in the middle of a night, and then he apologizes on behalf of Ernest Hemingway. This is one of the scenes that will crack you up and will also keep you invested throughout the movie. तीसरी चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है मूवी में, and this I have realized after a certain number of rewatches, are the characters of Anupam Kher and Chris Tucker. Shout out to the fans of Rush Hour and Bollywood movies. Now Anupam Kher और Chris Tucker का जो character है, it is like those filling elements which are very vital to the movie. And it is only after a certain period of time that you realize that how humor based important their character were. So if you're looking to watch something that will reignite your hope in positivity and will let you believe in the silver lining concept that if you aim hard and work hard on something that one day or the other you might have a shot at it, then Silver Lining Playbook is something that I highly recommend you to watch, and do share your experience after watching the movie. And that was all for today. Until then, keep watching movies.